Boy, oh boy, we are stacking them L's. It's all good though. It's all learning. Shit like that. Nah, we good. Let's go over it. I'm gonna go over my thinking, and then I'm gonna go over why I think I was wrong. Anyways, so coming into market, we are bullish. Okay, we are in a bullish trend, and for me, there's nothing wrong with taking a trade against the trend on a lower time frame. But the thing with taking a trade against trend is it usually will not fully deliver because it's usually a retracement in either direction to push higher, right? So I knew that full well coming into this day, but I thought, why not? So what happened? Well, coming into market open, we've taken Asia highs. We've taken Asia highs. We've taken this low resting liquidity. We've taken the Asia highs. We, tested into a gap. We were just listing out of it. So I'm like, oh, okay, this could be good. We're rejecting nicely. We were rejected once, twice, and we're rejecting this gap. We're rejecting into this gap. Rejecting out of this gap. So I'm seeing this, and I'm like, oh, okay, we're making lower highs. Well, kind of. That was an oversight in when I was trading. I thought that we were making lower highs. We really weren't. But I was seeing all this rejection and the sweep. I'm like, oh, okay, this could be a nice play to London lows. My TP was a little far just because my risk was higher, but my break even was super early because of that aforementioned not fully delivering when going against the trend. But all right, so what am I thinking, right? I'm looking at the 5 minute, and I'm like, damn, the 5 minute chop, this should have immediately been where I scrapped any idea of shorts. If we were gonna retrace lower, we would have had a lot cleaner displacement, higher time frame. We didn't. We kind of chopped around all day. And I think why we chopped around all day is we didn't take any lower draw, causing not enough volatility to be in the market, causing us to chop. Makes sense. But I'm like, okay, I want to see a retest into this 3 minute again. I want to see a displacement out of it. What do I get? A retracement, a displacement. And I'm like, oh, all right, well, I'm on the paper. I blew my phone, by the way. Sorry, team. I'm like, okay, I haven't taken a trade all week, which was another mistake of mine, forcing a trade, but not kind of forcing a trade because it was my setup relatively. I seen this. I'm like, boom, close it, bang, enter in. And as you can see, I didn't even get a tick of profit before I got stopped out. Where I went wrong, well, market is overall bullish, of course. We're chopping, which is the worst. Like, I should have been checking the higher time frame more to see how choppy we were and honestly how wicky we were. There's no higher time frame gaps we were going against. I did like this gap, but whatever. It's besides the point. And yeah, I think the biggest thing that I failed to notice is how we weren't really delivering to sell side, right? I think if we were wanting to push lower, in this leg we would have delivered lower tick in this low res, came up, retested, and if we still wanted to push lower, we would have respected it, displaced, and then I could have caught it lower. But that's not what happened. I didn't realize that while I was trading, and that is where I went wrong. I'm pretty happy with today though. It was a good learning experience. The biggest thing I have taken away from this, honestly, I still believe that going against trend isn't awful. You just have to be cautious. It is more, I'd rather trade with the trend because trend usually prevails unless you get caught in a retracement, which is where you could take a trade against the trend. But noticing chop, pre-market, chop and delivery, I think are the two biggest issues from today. Not seeing the delivery, or not caring that we weren't delivering, or that we were chopping. yeah, that's where I really got fucked up. Nothing wrong with an L though. Take it on the chin. Best losers win. And yeah, my bad. I haven't been making too much content recently. I've set a goal for myself, so should be pumping out some more stuff for all you fellas and gentle ladies, if there is any. Yeah, also trying to get a bit better with the volume indicator. I didn't really use that today, which was a mistake of mine, but we live and we learn. With that being said, I love and appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.